Hey guys, so what we're doing today is we've got the electric motorhome diff here and we had to replace these trunnion pins. They are 1040 steel, so we're going to weld them onto this section here. So we got the oven here and these have been going for about an hour now and we've hit 260 odd degrees, which is right within our 200 to 300 spec.
Download complete.
So the 15 amp tripped, yeah, it's got the hot water for the caravan on it, so that must have kicked in, and the 3D printers on that circuit as well, so that will be not good. You probably never leave the heat gun on or flame on too long. It'll just ensure you don't crack that weld as it cools off. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of heat into the base material, so it should be pretty good.